Nurmagomedov and Rustam Khabilov. Rustam Khabilov, very confident that he will come away with a victory tonight.
This is a very accomplished mixed martial artist, Mike. Great, well-rounded skills. He's equally at home with his stand-up or if things go to the ground, and he adapts so well to every kind of opponent or situation.
Rustam Khabilov looking for a victory in the octagon tonight. Dagestan, Russia, Khabib Nurmagomedov opened up his professional career 22-0. And one of his most impressive performances in the octagon was back at UFC 160 when he defeated Abel Trujillo, recording, which was at that time a UFC record, 21 takedowns.
This guy has incredible stamina and ridiculous cardio. If his opponent can't slow him down, he is not going to be able to keep up with him.
Our tale of the tape for this lightweight fight. Nurmagomedov is 27. Khabilov is 29. He will have a 3-inch reach advantage. With the official introductions, here is Bruce Buffer.
Ladies and gentlemen, this fight is 3 rounds of the UFC lightweight division. Introducing first, fighting out of the blue corner. This man is a mixed martial artist, holding a professional record of 20 wins, 3 losses. He stands 5 feet 8 inches tall, weighing in at 155 pounds. Fighting out of Albuquerque, New Mexico, Rustam Khabilov. And now introducing his opponent, fighting out of the red corner. A mixed martial artist holding a professional record of 23 wins, no losses. He stands 5 feet 10 inches tall, weighing in at 155 pounds. Fighting out of the Republic of Dagestan, Russia, Khabib the Eagle Nurmagomedov. And when the action begins, a referee in charge, Dan Murgliata.
Dan Murgliata, our referee for this lightweight bout, here tonight in New York City. Here we go.
Fight scheduled for 3 5-minute rounds.
White trunks for Khabilov. Black trunks for Nurmagomedov.
Khabib Nurmagomedov is one of the best grapplers in MMA. He has knockout power in his strikes, and his big skill is being able to take guys down and maul them on the ground.
Quick inside leg kick by Nurmagomedov.
Welcome to the jungle. Nice combos.
Joey's doing a good job with those leg kicks. Nurmagomedov gets caught with that left. Inside leg kick.
Just over 3 now.
Man, he really turned on that inside leg kick.
Oh, tries for a flying knee.
Khabilov with the jab.
Yeah, he's digging into that leg kick.
Man, he was looking for the knockout there. Good defense by Khabilov. Khabilov with a big leg kick.
Good shot.
Using his jab very well.
Nice kicks.
Big
vicious knee.
Trying to stay out of trouble here. Oh, he's landing at will.
Flying knee. Big shots.
That's a beautiful hook. Big combination.
Oh!
That hurt him.
Boy, he is in big trouble, Mike.
On the clock.
Powerful knee to the head lands.
Vicious knees.
Oh! Big knee.
And the round comes to an end. And what a round it was. Look at these guys battle. Rustam Khabilov's very lucky there.
He was saved by the bell, Mike. Big shot landed, went down. Very dangerous moment for him. Here's a powerful knee that lands and causes the knockdown. Here we see it from a different angle. And let's take a closer look at that from a different angle.
The lovely Brittany getting a set for round number 2.
Okay, you ready? Round 2. Ready?
Round 2.
He's definitely going to want to start this round off fast to try to pick up where he left off. His opponent was... Oh, my goodness!
Let's see what he can do from here.
This is a dominant position. He's got his back, Joe. Half guard. Nice sweep. Nurmagomedov's taking some hard shots on the body.
Full guard here.
Get yourself to the side. Scramble, scramble, scramble.
And they're back up.
He just landed an outstanding leg kick.
And right into the Muay Thai clinch.
And there's another knee.
Oh,
nice
big
knee.
knee. He's in trouble.
Hard diving punch.
Nice sweep, very good movement. Nurmagomedov with the strong leg kick.
Oh, huge suplex.
Joe, that's a nasty cut under his eye. Now the fight's back and over under control.
Huge nice takedown.
He's got over under.
Try to complete the takedown again.
Powerful
That's
suplex.
some wrestling right there.
Nice sweep. Nurmagomedov with the left. That's outstanding grounding.
Lands a big left hand. Unbelievable. Look at this. Ground and pound knockout.
Let's check out the action on our fight replay.
Let's look at the replay and see the end of this fight. This is the huge ground and pound strike that lands for the KO. Here it is from another angle. Check it out here. And he's out.
All right, here's Bruce Buffer with the decision.
Ladies and gentlemen, referee Dan Mergliano's called a stop to this contest at 3 minutes, 34 seconds of round number 2. Declared the winner by knockout, Khabib Nurmagomedov.
Khabib the Eagle Nurmagomedov, winner by knockout.